After last weekend's ice storm, thousands of Middle Tennesseans are now turning to their insurance company to get a little help. State Farm is one of those insurance companies. They say they have received around 13,000 claims that have been filed nationwide. 2,500 of them are from right here in Tennessee.
Exponentially bigger when you look at the big picture and talk about all the insurance companies. But yeah, State Farm has a lot right now on their plate. Fox 17 News reporter Chris Knowles joining us live right now with what you need to know, regardless of your coverage company, before you file that claim.
Good morning, Jennifer, Justin. You're absolutely correct. There are so many people that have questions when it comes to filing insurance claims and what is actually covered, especially after an event like this. And State Farm is working to put some boots on the ground here to make it easier for those that are having those issues. And I have with me Mr. Johnny here. He's an agent with State Farm. Johnny, tell me, what is this site that's set up here?
Well, we have a site set up for folks to come on by. They want to ask questions about claim-related questions. Even if they want to file a claim on the spot, they can do that here with us. We're going to go ahead and put all the information in the system. We also are going to their homes and doing an inspection on the spot and making sure that whatever is covered, and we can see exactly what some of the damages are.
Now, what are some of the first things that people need to do, or what do they need to bring here if they are preparing to file a claim?
I mean, truth be told, just bring yourself. But if you can, we ask everyone if they can document everything that they have, all the damage that they've seen, videos, photos, and really just a good timeline of actually what happened. I've also mentioned about keeping your power bill so we know exactly what your typical usage is. But anything that you feel you would need to bring here, bring that here. But if you have nothing, you wouldn't need anything either. So if you have a policy with us, we can search it, we can find you. And we kind of make it, pretty seamless.
Okay. Now, when it comes to things that are covered under this storm, are most damage that have occurred during this storm, is that covered, or would you say it just depends?
Well, every claim is handled, with its own merits. But we're seeing collapse of ice, fallen trees. Policies have tree debris removal in their policies, so that's covered. We do have an allotment of that, but then after that, it goes back to their coverage A, which is property damage and other dwelling. We're seeing there's also building structures that are covered, dwelling extensions that are covered, personal property is covered. So once we get to look at the policies, we'll know exactly what they have and what we can cover. Also, alternative living arrangements are also covered as well.
Okay. And my last question: what times are y'all open here?
We're here from 7 to 7.
7 to 7.
Yeah. So
okay. All right, y'all heard it right there, 7 to 7. If you have State Farm, you come here. They have a site now. I'm at the Lowe's location in Antioch, just off of Nolensville Pike. We'll have all this information on our website at fox17.com. Reporting live in Antioch, I'm Chris Knowles, Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.